Okay, we've got all our hardware to put our pieces for the rabbit. We've got a 1-inch hinge. This hook here is going to go into the back of the head. That's for the spring. And it's easier to put this in before you close up your neck, because you can reach down in there and get it, do it better. So we got this. This is for the spring to attach. We're going to put the hinge on here. That will be so the mouth can open and close. Put that in here. Set our hinge on this. Make a little pilot hole. If you enjoy my videos and find them helpful, on my YouTube page, please select like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. That will help the mouth to open and close. The other thing we're going to do is we got 2 small eye hooks here. One of them is going to go here, and the other one will go here. There's that one. And this one Okay, this one here is going to be for the spring that'll go from here and to the top of the head where we put that other hook. And this one here is where we're going to tie our string to. That'll go down through the neck. We also have our neck pieces cut out. Those are going to go in here. That's for the neck. And then this one here will get glued on here. So we're going to glue these in and glue this on, let it set overnight, and then we'll go on to the next step. Thanks for watching.